So this is a revised version of the National Cruise Tourism Policy. The first version came out in the early 2000s. So this is a revision, an update of that policy. And it basically presents a 10-year roadmap to developing cruise tourism in Belize. It's really a path to how we could sustainably grow cruise tourism over the next 10 years and hopefully arrive at a sustainable number of about 2.5 million passengers per annum, and that is nationwide.
All right, so we see air traffic is bouncing back up to close to pre-pandemic figures. How is the cruise tourism industry looking right now?
Okay, so cruise is lagging a little bit behind what overnight sector was doing. So in 2019, we had our peak in terms of 1.2 million passengers. This year, January to December 2023, will be about 900,000, 850 to 900,000 passengers. So we're inching back to where we were pre-COVID, but not quite there yet.
Talk to us about the collective input in the revised national policy.
Yes, indeed. So this revision was done very bottom up. So we went to the stakeholders. We went to those who have been stalwarts in the industry over the years. Some of them have been at this over 20 years, so they're the real experts. They're on the ground and they can tell us what works, what doesn't work, and what we should be aiming for. So they were a part of the cruise working group that we formed to help put this all together. So we relied on their expertise and their experience to point out what would be most important. It is definitely a policy born out of inclusivity and a very bottom-up approach. They're the ones telling us how this industry should go.